In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Shopify with Pirate Ship for all your shipping needs. This integration will make managing your orders and shipping a breeze, ensuring that your business operations run smoothly and efficiently. First things first, let's dive into installing the Pirate Ship app on your Shopify store. Head over to your Shopify admin panel, which is the hub for controlling all aspects of your online store. From there, look for the Apps section. This is where you can find and manage all your Shopify apps. Next, click on Visit Shopify App Store, which will direct you to a wide array of apps designed to enhance your store's functionality. In the search bar, type in Pirate Ship, and once you spot it, go ahead and install the app. Installation is straightforward and shouldn't take more than a few moments. Just follow the prompts and soon the app will be ready for use within your Shopify store. Once you've successfully installed the Pirate Ship app, it's time to connect your Shopify store with your Pirate Ship account. After installation, you'll receive a prompt asking you to log in to your Pirate Ship account. Now, this account is unique and specifically created for your store's use. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, which guide you step by step through the linking process. This connection is crucial because it allows the transfer of orders and information between Shopify and Pirate Ship, enabling seamless operations. Now that your accounts are linked, let's move on to importing your Shopify orders into Pirate Ship. In your Pirate Ship account, navigate to the Ship tab. Here, you'll find an option labeled Import. Selecting this will initiate the process of loading your Shopify orders into Pirate Ship. It's a smooth process that saves you the hassle of manual data entry. Once your orders are imported, you can filter through them and select the specific orders you wish to ship. This feature offers you flexibility in managing which orders are processed at any given time. With these orders imported, you're now set to create and purchase shipping labels. Pirate Ship not only streamlines this process, but also ensures that you're getting competitive rates for your shipments. Once you've purchased the shipping labels, Pirate Ship automatically communicates with your Shopify store. It updates the order status on Shopify, marking them as fulfilled. Additionally, it provides tracking information, which is a fantastic feature that keeps your customers in the loop with their shipments. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've integrated Shopify with Pirate Ship, allowing you to handle your shipping needs efficiently. This integration will help save you time, keep your customers satisfied, and let you focus on growing your business. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shipping!